Can humans trust animals in their most critical moments? The answer is yes, because they can sense danger in just a few seconds and react swiftly. Join WOW TV for 20 minutes to see how animals become heroes in the blink of an eye. Be careful when you live near the forest, but for the courage of a dog, the woman would have been badly charged by the moose. The police couldn't be present in all situations, but the dogs could. Luckily, he had 2 boxer dogs ready to confront the bad guy. It was a typical night when she was awake and the dog was sound asleep until its intuition helped her avoid the 6.2 magnitude earthquake in time. No one can hurt its owner. The best loyal animal in the world. They will protect you unconditionally. The pain of one member was the pain of the whole monkey troop. As long as the baby monkey hadn't been saved from the narrow rock, they refused to leave. The man fainted suddenly and was rushed to the hospital. What was remarkable was that the dog persisted in chasing after the ambulance to the end. And that touched the hearts of many. The gas leak in Washington left many worried about neighborhood safety. A dog named Kobe recently raised suspicion by constantly digging holes in front of his house. His owners used a gas leak detector to check and found alarmingly high gas levels. Thanks to that, everyone was safe, and Kobe was hailed as a hero of the neighborhood. Dragging her out of the path was how the dog saved its human friend from an out-of-control car. The vicious giant rushed to the little boy and everyone's concerned. Immediately, it was pushed back by a devoted guard who exerted all efforts to protect the kid. The street brawl caught the attention of a pack of stray dogs. Despite not being nurtured and cared for, their peace-loving spirit was commendable. The little helpers don't only exist in fairy tales. Check your CCTV. You might discover a kind mouse quietly helping you tidy up everything. Amidst different species, love and sharing still exist. To overcome difficult situations, we need the strength of kindness from all living things. Heroes come in all forms, sometimes on 2 legs or 4.